Haga arpui terik ujemang arhajar arpusan. Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula IT Shiklor Tengka hakawat ke Nyngkong hapo ka Meghalaya Healthcare Advancement Policy ya ke Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital bari kepisah ke badang sa Shiklor an sepelat hadian beladab ban IT ya ke Utilization Certificate beladab penperekam ya ke Shiklor Tengka kuala yo hakawat ke Nyngkong. Ya kani kejingelang lepenya du Reverend S. Lamaria hakabledon lang i Dr. Dinong Klur ibadai ka Medical Superintendent bat kiwe-kiwe. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong bakanya kambe satya kejing ajing yarap kebatang sisien. Mereka day tang kejing sedang ya kebaan penek syirta ya kejing terilang. Ulong bakanya ke skim kalong kebayar bat ke hospital kilaban syemhi ya karai kumno bat penden kami kena pisah kat kum kejing snow jongki. Ula penting bro baga jela kelala ban penduna da sau pesan nak cispa ke jengklat jengkilong kemi ki armet haka bedai baga national average bad ulong baga ne kelas seiso kadai na markisin jam kum ka CM Safe Motherhood Scheme ke ba penting kena ban kemi benia yang manla kilong kemi ki armet ki badan keleng ki benta ke jela. Menteri Rangba ulia turu baga Sorkar Jylla kala pendan kam ya ki kor ki bor ke jok ke bamenta bat budien rengkat bat ke kemi benia ke rukom pun kun ke badan pedang kejing ma bat bancum kia mardor akapor ke babiang.
I'm pretty soon you'll start to figure out your part. Everyone takes a piece, and there are melodies to move each one of us. Oh, it's glorious. You will know how to let it ring out as you discover who you are. Others around you.
That Meghalaya is the highest spender in the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend 8% of our budget on health. And through that, in the last 7 years, most of the government infrastructure, large investments have been made to improve it. A lot more needs to be done. I'm not saying that we are done, or I'm not saying that we have achieved everything. Absolutely not. It's a very long journey. But we have been able to improve the overall infrastructure at the grassroots level. That Meghalaya has or had the highest maternal mortality rate. We were in 230 plus. For those who don't know what that means 230 deaths per lakh. And the national average in 2018 was 113 when we took over, which means we were double the national average. And at that point in time when I took over, the first question that came to my mind is that this is absolutely not acceptable. A mother is bringing life to this world, and if we have to lose the mother's life while she brings life into this world, I think it's one of the most saddest things. And that's when our journey to fight maternal mortality started.